Hi everybody, this is your Sunday version of the Posh Premiere. Of course, it's being released on Monday. Yesterday was Sunday and I was all engrossed in my Carolina women's basketball. So I'm sorry for the delay, but I didn't want to not do it, so I'm just doing it a day late and I hope you'll forgive me. Today I'm going to just focus on dresses. I got about 10 dresses that I'd like to show to you. So I will go ahead and get started. First up, this dress is by Zara. It's a size 8. I think it hits about knee length. It's a nice stretchy fabric, nice material, and nice pattern. It has bell sleeves, which I'll show you. And then the back is plain. It just has a line going straight through it. The one detail on the neck is this button closure. I think it's just decorative. I mean, it does open, but it's just decorative. So this is Zara size 8, and this is available in my Posh closet. Once again, the directions to the Posh closet will be in the box below. You can just click on it and go directly to the item. This here is a dress that's by Eva Blue. It's a size 14W. I'm going to open it up so you can see because it doesn't look like a 14W on this hanger. But this is a sheer, kind of a sheer fabric. It does have a lining, but I want you to be able to see the detail of it. I'm sorry. So it's like a tank at the top. And then at the bottom, it has kind of like that handkerchief look, if you can see that. It's a pretty black and red color. It's just straight up and down. And I think the real detail comes in when you look at the handkerchief bottom. Once again, this is by Eva Blue, and it's a size 14W. Next up is this vintage style dress by Quam. It's spelled Q-U-U-M. This is a size 1X. And as you can see, it has all these ruffly layers. It's made of like a polyester fabric. And then the bottom also has some of that handkerchief type styling. But this again is a sort of a polyester type fabric with a mock neck. And then at the back, there's a zipper. There is a little bit of detailing right in here that you can see. And this is a vintage style dress, I would say. This is a size 1X. There is some stretch in it. And this is available in my Posh closet. Next up is this dress by BCBG Maxaria. This is a wrap style dress. Here's the sleeves. And here's the back. This is really cute. It does have a little bit of gather over here by the wrap where you tie it. This dress is a size, let's see. This is a size large. Once again, there's a lot of stretch in this dress. But this is BCBG Max Area, size large. Next up is this cute dress. This is a dress that has 3/4 length sleeves. Here they are. It's a really pretty pattern. The sleeves are kind of bell. And then this is the cute part about it. It has this going around the back of it. It's just sort of like a scoop neck. And then in the back, it's kind of a V. There's no zipper closure or anything like that. But it has this cute little thing that goes around the back. The bottom has a little bit of detail to it. It's just a straight across bottom, no handkerchief or anything like that. But this is a really cute springy dress. This dress is by Laundry by Shelly Segal, and it's a size medium. Once again, this has some stretch to it. Next up is this dress. That's, I'm going to call it a faux wrap because it doesn't really wrap. It just has the appearance of that. This is more of a, I would say a maxi dress. It has a little ruffling at the bottom. This is a real feminine, girly girl looking kind of dress, and I really love it. It has romantic styling to it. This dress is by Indulge, and it's a size medium. Let me let you see the back of it. So this ruffle kind of goes all the way around. And it looks like this dress could be worn off the shoulder as well. Next up is this seersucker dress, and this is by Isaac Mizrahi. It's a size 10. It kind of flares out a little bit. It starts off pretty straight. This is a really simple dress. It looks nice and cool for the summer. It's plain at the front, and then at the back there is a zipper detailing. It's kind of a hidden zipper as well. And I'm going to hold this closer so you can see the detail, the darts that it has. And I would say this dress will probably hit you right at the knee as well. But it's a lightweight fabric. It's a size 10, Isaac Mizrahi. Next up is this dress by Tommy Hilfiger. This is a real cute casual type dress. This hits probably right at the knee. Here's the sleeves. It has the signature detailing over here on the pocket. I don't think you can get much in that pocket. It's just for design. And then the back is plain. So it's a Tommy Hilfiger dress, and it says it's a size small petite. Next up is this dress by Ralph Lauren. This dress is more of a, I'm going to say this is more of like a fully constructed, tailored kind of look. It has, of course, the little ruching right here, but again, it doesn't come open right there. That's just the decoration of it. The zipper for this dress is, oh, I thought there was a zipper on here. There's no zipper on here. Anyway, so I guess you just pull it over your head. But here are the sleeves. That's the sleeves. This is what the back looks like. It is fully lined. And I would say this hits you probably right at the knee as well. It's a nice stretchy fabric. Once again, it's by Ralph Lauren. And this dress is a size 8. I don't know if it shows on the camera, but it's a black with these flowers in it. Fully constructed, nicely made. Next up is this summer dress by Talbots. This dress has a cute spring pattern to it. It's a straight up and down dress. It has a hidden zipper at the back. And once again, it has the darts that you can see, the dart styling. It does have a split at the back as well. Let me show you the split. The split is at the back end of the dress. This is nice, a nice summery dress. This is a size 8 and it's by Talbots. Now this dress, this is something. This dress is by Nasty Gal. It's a size 6. And as you can see, your midriff would be exposed here. It's a really bodycon kind of dress. It's made out of stretch fabric. And I think it's probably, it's going to be like a mini dress. It's got a little split. You see that? And then the back is pretty plain. But I think for this dress, all of the detailing and styling is right at the front. And you reveal your midriff if you dare. It's a dark hunter green color, stretchy fabric. Once again, it's a size 6 and it's by Nasty Gal. Okay, that's all I have to show you in the way of dresses. I'll be back again on Thursday and we will focus on some other type of apparel. I've done, you know, the ones that just kind of focus on a particular style, because last week I did the pocketbooks. This week, the dresses. So I'm going to have to come up with something for Thursday. If you have any suggestions, please drop them in the in the comments. And also make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your attention tonight. Have a pleasant evening. Goodbye.